Yes, you read that right. Imagine sitting on your couch, relaxing and earning money at the same time. You can earn money online, and it's easier than you think. Some people are making even $100 a day just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, it's that simple. Many people are constantly looking for easy ways to make money online, and this method is one of the best kept secrets. It's free to start, and anyone can do it. This isn't a scam or a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about taking advantage of the booming creator economy. Companies are eager to promote their products and services on YouTube. You get paid to watch their content. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. You get to enjoy videos and make extra cash on the side. The best part is, you can do this anytime, anywhere, whether you're at home or in a cafe. All you need is a phone, tablet, or computer with an internet connection. It's that accessible. It's time to stop dreaming about financial freedom and start taking steps to achieve it. Let me show you how to turn your YouTube habit into a profitable side hustle. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks. The first step is finding a reputable platform that connects viewers with companies that need views. This is crucial because you want to ensure that your time and effort are well spent on a legitimate site. There are many websites and apps that offer this service. Each platform has its own set of rules and payment structures, so it's worth exploring a few to see which one suits you best. Once you've chosen a platform, create a free account. This is usually a straightforward process that takes just a few minutes. This usually involves providing your name, email address, and creating a password. Make sure to use a strong password to keep your account secure. Some platforms might ask for your PayPal or other payment information up front for easy cash outs. This ensures that you can receive your earnings without any hassle. Next, browse through the available tasks. These tasks can vary, so take your time to find ones that you find interesting or easy to complete. These tasks typically involve watching videos for a specific duration, such as 30 seconds or a full minute. The timer will help you keep track of how long you need to watch. You might also need to like the video or subscribe to the channel. These additional actions can sometimes earn you extra rewards. Complete the required actions to receive your reward. It's that simple. With consistency and a bit of effort, you'll be on your way to earning that $100 in no time. Maximize your earnings with these simple tips. First, be consistent. Consistency is key to seeing significant results. Set aside some time each day to watch videos and complete tasks. This daily habit can make a big difference. Even dedicating just 30 minutes a day can add up over time. Small efforts can lead to substantial rewards. Second, refer your friends and family. Word of mouth is a powerful tool. Many platforms offer referral bonuses for inviting others. These bonuses can significantly boost your earnings. Share your unique referral link and earn a commission for every person who signs up using your link. The more people you refer, the more you can earn. Third, take advantage of bonuses and promotions. These are often time-sensitive, so act quickly. Many platforms offer bonuses for completing a certain number of tasks or watching videos for a specific amount of time. These can be easy ways to increase your earnings. Keep an eye out for these opportunities to boost your earnings. Regularly check for new promotions and bonuses to maximize your rewards. Section 4. Finding the right videos to watch. The best platforms will offer a variety of videos to keep you engaged. Don't be afraid to explore different niches and discover new channels. You might stumble upon something you truly enjoy. Some platforms even offer the option to choose your preferred categories. Whether you're into gaming, beauty, or finance, you can find videos that match your interests. Remember, the key is to find videos you enjoy watching. This will make the process more enjoyable and prevent you from feeling like it's a chore. Section 5. Cashing out your money your way. Once you've accumulated a certain amount of earnings, it's time to cash out. Most platforms have a minimum withdrawal threshold, typically around $10 or $20. You can usually choose to receive your earnings through PayPal, gift cards, or direct bank transfer. PayPal is a popular option as it's widely accepted and allows for easy money transfers. Withdrawing your earnings is a breeze, and you can enjoy the fruits of your labor in no time. Treat yourself to something nice or save it for a rainy day. Section 6. Start today, your path to financial freedom. Earning $100 a day watching YouTube videos might seem too good to be true, but it's a legitimate way to make money online. It's free, easy, and accessible to everyone. Remember, consistency is key. Set realistic goals and stick to them. Don't expect to get rich overnight. But with dedication and effort, you can supplement your income and achieve your financial goals. What are you waiting for? Start watching videos and earning money today.